Hi, my name is Ashley Rizzo. I'm a registered dietitian with MU Healthcare. For National Heart Month, we're going to be talking about recipe substitutions. First, let's talk about fats. Some fats are good for your heart. Those fats are called unsaturated, and they can be found in things like fish, nuts, flaxseed, and liquid oils. Harmful fats are saturated or trans fats. Those are mostly solid at room temperature and found in animal products and processed foods. Trans fats can be tricky to spot. Look for the words partially hydrogenated oils in the ingredient list, and that will tell you if an item truly does have trans fats. You can replace saturated and trans fats in recipes by using heart-healthy fats. Here are some suggestions. Instead of using whole milk in a recipe, replace with fat-free milk. You can replace regular sour cream with fat-free sour cream or plain fat-free yogurt. You can replace heavy cream with evaporated fat-free milk. Instead of adding a slice of cheese to your sandwich, try adding a slice of avocado for more heart-healthy fats instead of the saturated fat that's found in cheese. When baking, you can substitute up to half of the fat with applesauce to decrease the total calorie content while still giving it a good flavor. Use trans fat-free margarine instead of regular butter or margarine that does contain trans fats. Another way to make your recipes more heart-healthy is by reducing the sodium content. A lot of times recipes call for more salt than what's actually needed. Instead of using things like seasoning salt or regular salt in a recipe, try using fresh herbs and spices that don't contain salt. When using canned vegetables, try rinsing the canned vegetables before cooking to take out between 25 to 45% of the total sodium content. A better choice might be to buy fresh or frozen vegetables, which contain virtually no salt. Thanks for watching our video on heart-healthy recipe substitutions. For more information, go to our website.